This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable cupcake boxes, specifically these Cafe Vision square cupcake window boxes. They come in 3 colors. We have craft, black, and white. And it's a 2-piece assembly. You can see it comes with a little insert down inside, and they're easy to fold up quickly for an attractive little package to display your treats in. They come flat, so the 2 pieces are easy to store and have a very small footprint, and they're easy to fold and set up. So I always recommend going ahead and pre-folding all of those little lines so you have a nice good crease. And with this style of box, I like to start with the back edge. Oop. There we go. And I just do one side and then the other, slip it down into those little openings. It's ready if you're going to use it just as is without the insert, say for any other items besides cupcakes or muffins, like cookies, maybe some scones or anything like that. Or if you want to use it with muffins and cupcakes and you want to make sure they stay in place, you can go ahead and pop that little insert in. The little tabs go down on the outside and just slip right into that opening. And I like to put the lid right in there so we get a nice little secure closure. Missed the side. There we go. Never wants to cooperate on camera. But it's easy enough then. You have a nice secure presentation. You can leave the flap out the front, secure it with a sticker, or you can go ahead and tuck it in for a nice clean presentation. These are cute boxes to pair with things like bakery twine, fun tapes, or stickers for some branding. They have a nice clear window down there so you can see into the box, which means that people will be able to easily identify flavors of things like cupcakes and muffins, or check out the decorations and pick the items that they want, meaning they're great for packing up small orders from the counter, or even for pre-packing some grab-and-go items, especially for things like holidays or events throughout the year, kind of celebrating the different seasons. These are a nice little option to have on hand. They're small, they're great for small orders. So they're easy to fold up and secure. They give you a nice attractive presentation. You can use them with or without those inserts. They're about 6 1/4 square with a nice 3-inch depth, which means they can accommodate a cupcake plus some frosting. And so they'll work for a lot of those kind of standard size items. They're made from eco-friendly craft paper, which is recyclable, which is always a fantastic option. And they've got some nice spots here if you want to use either stamps or stickers to add some branding.